morning everyone. So in this morning pupunta kami ng Camel Roundabout together with Crystal Beach. And from here at Alshate, maybe susukat to ng mga 31 kilometers mula dito hanggang Camel Roundabout. So medyo ang panahon ngayon okay naman. Kahit alas 8 na ng umaga, hindi naman ganun kainit, hindi naman ganun kalamig. Tama lang. So thank you for joining with us together with Crystal Beach. And let's G! Time check, it's 8:21 AM in the morning and we are still here in King Abdulaziz Road. Turn right, this way is going to TRINX. Now we are close at the Globe Roundabout. This is after Globe Roundabout, and this is the fountain, and there is no water flowing for now. After we pass the Globe and Fountain Roundabout, this is called the Lighthouse. Lighthouse Roundabout, it means you are very nearly at the coastline in this area or the beach. Very near at Camel Roundabout, our target location, and in my front you will see the lot of building. I think it's residential or apartment, we do not know. Check this guys. So at my right side makikita nyo yung tinatawag na Hajj Terminal. So for now dahil COVID, pero kung normally wala pang COVID, itong area na ito, itong parking na ito, napupuno ito. Yan, galing doon sa Hajj Terminal. And at my left side makikita nyo naman yung under construction na pinakamataas na building na ginagawa dito sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. We will cross this road along this Parsi 7 building. So we reach our destination. It's called Camel Roundabout. To see this camel, this is our very first time to see this. Yes. So nakarating na tayo ngayon dito sa sa tinatawag nilang Camel Dawar o yung Camel Roundabout. Ito ang isa sa mga famous na paboritong puntahan ng mga Filipino bikers. Magpupunta sila rito. Karamihan mga grupo, especially Jeddah Bikers or Pajak Jeddah, L-Boys, and many more group of bikers. So shoutout sa inyo mga guys, nandito kami together with my riding tandem XIAOMI. And thank you for joining with us and enjoying the view. Maybe around 1 hour pedaling, no? Pero hindi naman pas-pas, chill ride lang. So be with us and enjoy the view. Tinatawag na ubos. Katabi siya ng Camel Roundabout. So this is the end of our morning bike journey, and if you enjoyed this video, just comment down below and give us a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe if you like, and hit the notification bell as well so you can help this channel grow. That's all I got. See you in my next vlog. Peace.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.